What if I go together with your QC inspector
Sure.
to observe the inspection, but your QC inspector only speaks Chinese and I don't speak Chinese, but I need to interact with him? How do we solve that problem?
Generally, our inspectors do have some level of English ability. I mean, in some cases it might not be a problem. In other cases, there might be more of an issue with communication. Yeah, generally it would just be something we take on a case-by-case basis. If you really want to go along for the inspection, then we might, decide to send someone who can communicate more easily along with you.
Hi, my name is Chris. Do you need help with quality control in Vietnam? Or perhaps you just want to talk to a person that can be trusted and unbiased? I've got 14 years of experience visiting dozens of Vietnamese factories and would be happy to help. Contact me via my website, vietnamfactorytours.com. Thanks for listening, have a wonderful day, and remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.